welcome back to my channel. So today we are playing with some new ColourPop. You have requested more fall makeup, and today this escalated really quickly, but I feel like I got very much like fall glam glitter vibes. Let me know. I want to know your opinion. But we played with the It's a Mood from ColourPop. So if you're new here, hit the subscribe button down below, hit the bell for notifications, new videos, and if you like this video, make sure to give it a big thumbs up. But if you want to know how I got this look using this new palette from ColourPop, just keep watching. Okay, you guys, the eyes are primed and we are ready to play with ColourPop's It's a Mood. The eyeshadows in this palette though, let's take a look. So there's some olive greens, you've got teals, purples, some orangey shades, burgundies, and then some more neutral shades that kind of go with the olive shades. But what I was noticing with this palette, if you follow this line, you're gonna get a cohesive look. Now you can also play around with some of these shades and get some different pops of color, a little bit different tonages. So I think it's a pretty fun palette anyways. And because you guys were asking for more fall videos, I was thinking I would play with more of like the olive shades and then these browns over here. I don't know that I'm necessarily gonna follow this down. I was looking at the glitter and I was like, that could be a lot of fun. I also didn't know if I wanted to play with glitter today. I do want to swatch a couple of these. So this first one is Stormy. Ooh, that is stunning. This one is New Moon. Oh, look at that glitter, you guys. That is really pretty. This one is Ritual. Maybe I will play with it. I wasn't looking at playing with glitter today, but maybe I will. And then one of the shimmers that was really grabbing my attention, this one is Thunder, and this one has like a shift. It's like a silver brown to a green, kind of. Like, can you guys see those shades? These are stunning. Let's clean off my fingers and we will get Plan in some color. Okay, so I have a plan of action. I'm thinking we're gonna play with this shade Oblivion. We're gonna use this light shade, which is Midnight Run, and then this shade Our Deal, and then use that green glitter. So that's the plan. Okay, I'm going to grab my Sigma E25. When I use my Sigma brushes, this is one of my favorites because it's what I use in the crease. So we're just gonna grab Oblivion, which is this olive green yumminess, and put that in the crease. I'm gonna press it in there and then blend it out. There is some kick up in this, but I'm okay with that. As long as it stays where I need it to go on my eyes. I think this is a beautiful shade. I don't use olive greens enough. I don't. I'm gonna take it a little bit into this area, blend it out. I don't want it to be like too concentrated because I am gonna use that darker shade, but I want it to layer, if that makes sense. I also want it in the middle so that it has something, like the glitter has something underneath it. And I'm not worried about this edge being perfect because that brown shade I'm gonna put on the outer edge to blend it out. I just want this crease to be good. Okay, now we're gonna go into this light brown shade, Midnight Run. And the one next to it is really pretty. It's got like more of a pinky shade in that brown called Everywhere, but I want a more brown this time. And this time I'm gonna use my Laura Lee L18. Oh, look at that. That was one dunk, you guys. Is it cooling off where you guys are? It is definitely cooling off here. It is 79 and it's supposed to be 75 tonight. So I'm excited because we're supposed to be doing a going away for someone. All right, add back a little bit of Oblivion, not too much because I do like the brown shade that's just on the exterior, but I just wanna make sure we got that green. And we're supposed to be outside today. The weather is nice. I'm loving it. Now we're gonna go into this darker brown shade, Our Deal, and put that in the outer V. Ooh. Okay. Start there and then we'll work our way up. This will actually deepen the crease a little bit. Today I went to Trader Joe's with one of my friends and we walked in and I immediately smelled the cinnamon brooms. I didn't know they were out yet. It's freaking September. But you wanna know who bought one and brought one home? And their entire downstairs smells like cinnamon when it's not Christmas time yet. If you're looking for the cinnamon brooms, Trader Joe's already has them. They had a lot of them. I was like, ugh, I just need to get through fall. But I was also like, I'm already here. Let me just grab it. I feel like that has definitely deepened up. No extra product on the one that I used Oblivion on. And we're just gonna, on the exterior of that line. The real pop of color is gonna be that glitter though. For this beautiful shade Ritual, I think I'm gonna use my ring finger for this one. Like I might finesse it. Oh, I don't have my paddle brushes. So I have these really cool like silicone paddle brushes that I use for glitter. I think, no, I had them somewhere. I don't know where they are right now. You guys, that is pretty. This is also why I do my eyeshadow before I do my face makeup, because I would have glitter everywhere. Which is not necessarily a bad thing, but like, I'm not trying to have glitter everywhere. Yeah, I'm glad I laid down the green right here because you can see, like, I don't know if it's showing up on camera, but you can see like the green and then I can see like where I didn't put it. But I think it's doing well where it's at. I don't want it too concentrated. I also don't want it stuck to my crease. That is easy enough. It flicked off. Okay, let me go do the rest of my makeup this eye and I'll be right back. Okay, you guys, I'm back so we can finish off this under eye. Don't mind my eyebrows. They got a little out of control. I was trying to keep them pretty calm, tame, not so thick. I don't know what happened. I'm thinking for the under eye, we're gonna keep it neutral. We're gonna keep it brown. So I think I'm gonna go into this shade Midnight Run, just all the way underneath. Grab a little bit of Our Deal on the outer V and drag it under. Because I'm really liking this glitter. And I might add a little bit of the green back in just to kind of like put the olive back in there. I can see it. I don't know if it's picking up on camera. It's just not as pronounced as the dark chocolate brown that's on there. Okay, on a Sigma E30, we're going to just pick up Midnight Run, place it, then drag it. I just picked up a little bit more of it to deepen it up a little bit. Okay, and then moving back into Our Deal. I'm not trying to take it in too much because of that glitter. I don't want to hit the glitter and then drag it everywhere, even though I have glitter everywhere anyways. What do you guys think? All right, let me toss some more of Oblivion in the crease a little bit. I'm just gonna pick up a little bit. I did already do my brow bone highlighter with the Ofra and Steph Tom's Milk and Cookies. If you guys don't have this, go pick it up. It is one of my favorites, and I don't think that's gonna change. Okay, time for some eyeliner and mascara, and I'll be back with the final look. Okay, you guys, I'm back and this is the final look. Let's just say I was not planning on using glitter, but now I'm glad that I did, because glitter fall glam, like, what? I really like this look. What do you guys think? Put your comments down below. I'm really interested. Do you like this type of look? Do you think that maybe I should have gone without doing the glitter? I don't know, I'm surprised. I wasn't feeling glitter when I started this, and then I was like, you know what, let's try it out. And you know, it escalated pretty quickly. So I'm excited. I really like how this turned out. ColourPop puts out a lot of makeup. I can't keep up with it. I can't. There's so much, but I try. So I'm glad that I picked this up. It's the It's a Mood palette from ColourPop. This is one of their bigger palettes. They have, I think, 6 of them out now that are about this size. And the shades in this, you guys, are stunning. So I just did the Natasha Denona palette, which is in this color story, and I was like, let's stay away from that. This, I've been doing a lot of teals, so we wanted to stay away from that. The olives, you guys, the olive shades, the glitter, these brown shades over here, I think I was able to pull it off. Let me know. Are you planning on picking this up? Do you have shades already in your collection that you could use in comparison to this? Let me know. I'm really intrigued to know what you guys are thinking of the new palette, or, you know, even the look. I appreciate your feedback. I do try and like converse with you guys down in the comments. I greatly appreciate the feedback that you guys give me, and I try and tweak things. Some things I'm willing to adjust on, and some things like background music, not so much. But anyways, you guys, that's it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. If you're new here, hit the subscribe button down below, hit the bell for notifications of new videos, and if you like this video, make sure to give it a big thumbs up. I greatly appreciate it. And until my next video, you guys, bye, and I'll see you in the next one.